guys, it's Joey back for another video. We are actually in Faribault, Minnesota right now. I am with Cutler and with Justin today. We're gonna be doing a montage of just like our trucks, getting some cool shots at the truck stop, and we will see what we come up with. I did end up actually having extra clips. I just incorporated them into this video as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy that and let me know what you think. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy. All right, peace out. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to see more. I will be trying to post way more in the upcoming days and weeks here. Coming wintertime, hopefully I will have some pretty cool opportunities to get out, go explore a little bit, and just have fun with it, see what I can capture, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. So again, if you liked it, go ahead, leave a comment, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, peace out.